So we're out here by this tree. Just wanted to get on here real quick and show you the slip. That sounded dirty, didn't it? Uh, show you my slip here. This one is from Dime Piece Customs. I showcased them yesterday, I believe. Real nice little leather slip. You can see USA made. And what's it holding? Holding my 18 pattern yellow Stockman, case Stockman. That was missing the shield, if you guys remember. But yeah, that's what's in the pocket today. What else do I have? Actually, I'm toting this little guy. I showed on the short yesterday too. CRKT minimalist. Cleaned it up, shined it up a little bit, put a new lanyard. Real nice little pocket dropper. Well, it's on the belt sheath, but yeah. Uh, yeah,